If you want to make a lot of points in the market, you can have two approaches. You can risk a lot of points to make a lot of points, or you can risk very little, but then you need to be prepared for the possibility that you will be repeatedly wrong. And at this point, I would love to tell you the story about a colleague of mine in the industry, a right old nester that I have a tremendous amount of respect for. He managed a fund trading South African shares on a 1-minute chart. Yes, I didn't even know that you could run a hedge fund trading on a 1-minute chart in South African shares. But they deployed a strategy invented by Tom DeMark called the Tom DeMark Sequential Indicator. However, what I found incredibly refreshing, ladies and gentlemen, was that my friend was telling me, you know what? We had a hit rate that was around the 20s. At times when we were on a good run, we would have a hit rate around 30-35%. So for those of you who are not familiar with the percentages I'm talking about, it means that they generally was right 20 times out of 100. How would you feel about trading a system where you are wrong 80 times out of 100? Does that sit easy with you? Aren't you more inclined to believe those glossy adverts whenever you Google something, those adverts that will promise you a 90% hit rate or 100% hit rate, or with this system you'll never lose? Who in their right mind would trade a system that is only right 20% of the time? Yet, my friend did it and they were wildly successful. To the point where they said, this is it, we are not younglings anymore, we made enough money, let's just take our spoils and bugger off to sunny shores. We've done our job.